Friends, our next concept is decimals. A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and decimal part is separated by a decimal point. And the dot in the decimal number is called a decimal point. For example, this is your decimal point, or you can say dot, and the number before this part is called whole number part, and this part is called decimal part. Now, before decimal, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. And after decimal, we can say this is tens, that is 1 upon 10. This is hundreds, ths, 1 upon 100. Next term will be thousands, ths, 1 upon thousands, and so on. So, students, that is about the decimal. Now, what is the use of decimal in our daily life? Suppose we go to a shop to buy 500 gram of sugar, and the cost of 1 kg sugar is 41 rupees. So how much money should we hand over to shopkeeper? So we have to divide this 41 by 2. So answer is 20.50. So answer is 20.50. What is point here? Decimal. That is called decimal point. So we can use decimal in our daily life also. Now come to the place value chart, decimal numbers. This is decimal point. Before here, ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, and on the right hand side here, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. It can be written as 1 upon 1000, it can be written as 1 upon 100, it can be written as 1 upon 10. Ones is 1, tens is 10, hundreds means 100, and thousands means 1000. Exercise 2.5, question number 1, which is greater. Now 0.5 or 0.05. Students, when you have to compare under decimals, first of all you have to check whether they are like decimals or not. What do you mean by like decimals? Like decimals means the number of decimal places. Decimal places means this after decimal point, how many digits are there? This is 1 digit, this is 2 digit. So decimal place is 1 here and decimal place is 2 here. So we have to convert into like decimals. That means we have to make 2 digits here. And we can write 0 here because 0 has no value after decimal point. So we can write this 0.50 and this is 0.05. I am converting this into like decimals. Now we have to compare before decimal, that is whole part. What is the whole part here? 0, and the whole part is 0 here, and 0 is same. So come to the next. Next is tenths place. Now I am writing here tenths place. What is at the 10th place? 5 here, and what is at the 10th place? 0 here. 5 is greater than 0. In this case 5 is greater than 0, so we no need to go further. We have to stop working and we can tell 0.50 is greater than 0.05. So 0.5, what is the value of this? 0.5. So 0.5 is greater than 0.05. That's it. Next, 1.37 or 1.49. Now this is already in like decimals. That means decimal places are 2 here, decimal places are 2 here. So we no need to convert into like decimals because they are already in like decimals. So we have to compare the whole part first. What is the whole part? 1. What is the whole part? 1. 1 is same. So we have to move on to the next. That is, we have to move on to the 10th place. What is 10th place here? 3. What is 10th place here? 4. 4 is greater than 3 and 3 is less than 4. So we no need to go further. We are just telling here only 1.37 is less than 1.49, or we have to find out greater. So which is greater? 1.49 is greater. So we are summing up to this. Therefore 1.49 is greater than 1.37. Next is 2.03 or 2.30. Again in this decimal places are same. two decimal places are there and two decimal places are there, so we no need to convert into light decimals because they are already in light decimals. Now we have to check the whole part. Whole part is 2, so go further. 0 0 is less than 3, stop. We no need to go further. 0 is less than 3, that means this whole decimal is less than this decimal number. So 2.03 is less than 2.30. So we can say 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Next part is 0.8 or 0.88. Now in this case decimal places 1, decimal places are 2, so we need to convert into like decimals. How? We are writing just 0 here, so 0.8 becomes 0.80. It will become like decimal and this is 0.88. Now we can compare the whole part. What is whole part? Is 0 in 0. 0 is same, so move further. That means move to the 10th place. What is 10th place? 8. And again here is also 8, so we have to move further. Okay, so what is the 100th place? Is 0 and 8. So 0 is less than 8, so this number becomes lesser than this number. But we have to find out greater one. So what is greater? This is greater. So 0.88 is greater than 0.8. Question number 2, express as rupees using decimals. A part is 7 paise. Students, we know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise and 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So if we are converting into rupees, we have to divide it by 100. So 7 paise will become rupees 7 upon 100. And if the two zeros are there, so we have to convert into two decimal places. That means here 7, we can write 0 here and decimal, and then before decimal we can put 0, so it will become 0.07. B part, 77 rupees 77 paise. So 77 rupees plus 77 paise. This is already in rupees, so we have to convert into rupees only this. So this can be written as same, and 77 paise can be written as rupees 77 upon 100. So two zeros are there, so 1, 2. Put the decimal here, so it will become 0.77. When you are adding this, we have to convert into like decimals. How? 77. This whole part is 77.00. Because in this case 10th place and 100th place are not given to you, so we can put here 00. 77.00 plus 0.77. Now you can add this thing, 0 plus 77, 0 plus 77, decimal, decimal, decimal and decimal. That is 7 plus 0, 7 and 7. Here nothing is, so that we can write on 0 here, so 7 plus 0 is 7. So answer is 77.77. Express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. You must know the rules here. 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 multiplied by, in 1 meter you know that 1000 meters, so multiply by 1000, it will become 10 lakh millimeter. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it will become 10 lakh. Now 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. We have to follow these rules in this question. Now 35 millimeter is equal to 35 upon 10 centimeter, because we know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. And 1 0 is here, so come to the right hand side, count one digit, 5. So decimal will be put here, so it will become 3.5 centimeter. Now 35 millimeter to change into meter, so divide by 1000. So 35 upon 1000 meter. So here 3 zeros are there, so count 1, 2, 3 is not here, so 3 digit is not here, so we have to put 0. 0 point and again put 0 here, so 0.035 meter. Next we have to convert into kilometer. So kilometer, what is the rule here? That means we have to divide by 10 lakh. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 35 upon 10 lakh kilometer. So we have to make 6 digits here. That means you have to put 4 zeros here before 35. So 35, 1, 2, 3.